की हे सालिगांव गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट पळय आसा ते बरोबर चलना म्हणून लोकांची थंय खूप बोब पडल्या की थंय वास मारता म्हणजे खंय ते प्रोसेसीस पळय आसा ते सारखे चलना म्हणून. Our fears were confirmed when on 24th of December the Goa State Pollution Control Board issued a show cause notice to Hindustan Waste Treatment Plant and Goa Waste Management Corporation, clearly outlining all the deficiencies and all the shortcomings in the functioning of the plant. It also issued directions under Section 5 of the Environment Protection Act 1986, asking the Goa Waste Management Corporation to immediately, in a time-bound manner, carry out certain urgent measures to mitigate the problems faced by the plant and in turn by the public, especially in the neighboring villages of Saligao and Pilet. The Hindustan Waste Treatment Plant has submitted its reply to this show cause notice, and this reply clearly at points which are the exact difficulties faced has placed the onus on the Goa Waste Management Corporation, because we all know, आमकां सगळ्यांक बरे भशेन माहिती आसा की हे प्लांटाचे मेजर इश्यू पळय आसा, unsegregated garbage is being allowed into the plant, and this plant is not suitable to cater and treat the unsegregated waste. The government has failed to initiate suitable measures to get this waste segregated in a scientific manner. पहिलो गव्हर्नमेंट आमच्या गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड तांकां एक कॉशन करता की तुमचे पळय शो कॉज नोटीस आसा ते तुम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट करून स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन अगेन्स्ट द ऑपरेटर्स अँड द गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन. आणि तुम्ही म्हणजे गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड जे 100 टनाचो 250 टन करपाक कन्सेंट टू स्टॅब्लिश पळय दिला तो ताबडतोब फाटी घेवपाक रद्द करपाक. Withdraw the consent to establish for 250 tons which you have given before everything is sorted out in the current waste treatment plant, which has got serious problems, and a look at the show cause notice by the Pollution Control Board will make even a common man understand the serious deficiencies and shortcomings